I'm Diane Weissman, and on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make the ultimate holiday turkey. Now we've opened the oven, taken the turkey out, and we're going to lower the temperature to 325 degrees. We're going to roast the turkey for 3.5 hours longer, and we're going to baste it every 30 minutes, and we'll rotate a few times until the thermometer inserted in the inner thigh registers 165 degrees. We're adding 1 carrot chopped coarsely, 1 rib of celery chopped coarsely, 1 medium onion, and we're putting it at the bottom of the pan with the stock. It's going to soak up the juices. We're going to be basting the turkey with the stock in the bottom of the pan.
Now I'm going to take the thermometer and I'm going to stick it in between the breast and the thigh to go all the way in. And the proper temperature
is 165 degrees
for the stuffing and 185 for the turkey. So what we're also going to do, Diane likes to cover the parts that are browning at the beginning with foil. So we cover it because the wings cook earlier and the legs cook a little earlier. We cover up the legs.
Protect them.
And the wings. And what we're going to do in this case, since we're going to brown it with a glaze later on, we're going to put a little aluminum foil over the middle of the turkey too, so it doesn't get brown. And we'll probably take the aluminum foil off on the front, on the top of the breast, about, I'd say, half hour before the end when we start to glaze.
It's turkey sunscreen.
Turkey sunscreen. Okay, so Diane's going to now put the aluminum foil on the turkey. And we'll take that off probably the last half hour before we put the glaze on.
And now our wings, our legs, and the top of the turkey are protected. Like sunscreen.
And it'll be nice and moist and humid in there from the chicken broth inside the pan along with the vegetables. So it won't be dry. Okay, have a nice trip.